Hi everybody, my name is Leticia Malta and I am an Inside Data Center Sales Executive from Franklin, Massachusetts. As we know, technology is changing on a daily basis and I really find myself constantly learning of new and emerging trends alongside my customers. Because of this, I found it really important to take a step back and better understand what's happening around us. So today, I'll be outlining some trends and challenges we see arising, and then following, I will be discussing how here at Dell EMC, we're helping to modernize, automate, and transform data centers across the globe to create future-ready businesses. The IDC, who runs tests and analytics, surveyed 1,000 C-level executives. And 71% of those executives felt threatened by digital startups. This means that leaders of companies are starting to see that IT is a driving factor within the millennial age, and that IT transformation isn't a thing of the future, it's happening right now. It's also crucial to mention that only 5% of those companies felt that they checked the box in terms of IT transformation. Their people and their processes in order to remain competitive. Our goal is to help the other 95% and you get to where you need to be. Of course, the driving force behind any transformation is undoubtedly tied to what outcomes it will produce, not just for the business, but also what positive outcomes it will make possible for IT as a whole. It's important to remember that every business is different, so obviously every IT transformation will look different across the board. And that's why, with our vast portfolio of offerings, from all-flash to hyper-converged and to the cloud, we're here to help. Just to outline a few companies that have changed the way we do things on a daily basis, I want to briefly touch on Starbucks, Airbnb, and Netflix. Starbucks recently launched their Order Before You Go app, making it that much more fast and that much more convenient for customers to not have to wait in line and order their morning coffee. So gone are the days of using your coffee as an excuse to be late for work. Airbnb, on the other hand, while not owning any real estate, has brought the hotel industry into a shared model, much like Ubers and Lyfts of the world, allowing for not only cheaper fares, but more income for those sharing a room or space in their underutilized homes. And finally, Netflix, allowing streaming from anywhere, anytime, and eliminating the blockbusters of the world, along with the need to get up from our couches to get movies and shows. We have to step back and ask ourselves, what do all of these disruptors have in common? Not only did they disrupt their respective industries, but ultimately their IT as well. Here at Dell EMC, we believe that the basis for IT transformation sits on 5 pillars. The first of those being all flash. Dell EMC was the first to implement flash into our arrays back in 2008, and we've been innovating around it ever since. With 10 years of experience under our belts, we've remained the market leader by constantly innovating around flash ourselves and implementing it into all of our solutions to date. By modernizing IT with flash, we've found our customers to be 2 times as likely to exceed their revenue goals, and that's why flash is our starting pillar. Scalability is another huge aspect of IT transformation. When we think of scaling, we traditionally think of adding capacity over and over, but that can eventually tax the controllers and the performance of the SAN. With our flexible scaling models, allowing for both capacity growth and compute growth as well, we're able to not only add those drives for the added capacity if needed, but also scale out, while adding nodes to accommodate for specific workload requirements of more capacity and more performance as well. This scalability model allows our customers more freedom in terms of how they want to grow their business. Next, when thinking of software-defined data centers, we see that the silos are eliminated from traditional data centers. No longer are different appliances and different vendors bogging down innovation, but rather, by having a single pane of glass through a software-defined data center, we're allowing IT professionals to focus more on their business. By transforming IT architecture with a software-defined model, our customers are able to complete 3 times more IT projects ahead of schedule and develop applications 39% faster. The cloud is a huge push within the industry today, and we fully embrace it. By utilizing a hybrid approach, we believe that our customers see not only the cost savings, but also get to remain in control of their data. We believe that by sending the non-revenue generating applications to the cloud, while keeping the most important applications on-prem, we're simplifying the infrastructure within the data center and running it as efficiently as possible. At Dell EMC, we do have our very own cloud provider called VirtuStream as one of our 7 strategically aligned businesses, and all of our solutions are cloud-enabled. But don't worry if you use another cloud vendor. We partner with over 200 other cloud vendors as well. By utilizing a hybrid cloud approach, our customers are able to reduce costs by up to 24%. And finally, when you think about Dell Technologies, you think about trust. A company that's been around for over 40 years and is constantly investing over $3.5 billion into research and development every single year into our solutions. And through RSA and SecureWorks, we're able to provide flexible security options for our customers as well. It's also important to note that 98% of Fortune 500 companies have something Dell EMC in their data center and trust us to help them with their IT transformations as well. These pillars lead us into the platforms of the future, which encompass all aspects we just discussed, each having its own use case, but allowing our customers to enter the future of IT. That being hyper-converged and converged infrastructures. By eliminating the need to purchase servers, storage, and software all separately, we're allowing our customers to focus their time back on what matters, the business. With both converged and hyper-converged platforms, we're allowing our customers to cut up to 59% of their cost of operations and on average see a 6 times ROI over 5 years. As mentioned previously, Dell EMC fully embraces the cloud, and we have 2 different platforms you can utilize within your business aside from just what is normally embraced as cloud services. The first being Platform as a Service, which allows for the development of applications on a collaborative basis in real time. Pivotal, another one of our 7 strategically aligned businesses, allows for just that. By changing and developing applications with Pivotal, we're allowing our customers to get their applications to market 7 times faster. On the other hand, when we want to turn IT into a revenue generator, not a cost center, we utilize IT as a service. And by utilizing IT as a service, gone are the days of charging IT for other department needs. For example, if marketing needs new laptops, IT as a service allows the cost to come directly from that department. And what IT as a service really allows our customers to do is truly revolutionize the way that IT is consumed by creating a self-service portal for the rest of the business entities and devote not only time, but money back into IT for future development. And finally, when talking about IT transformation, we talk about applications. At the end of the day, applications are what keep businesses ahead of their competition. And by utilizing converged, hyper-converged, the cloud, and other great benefits of modernizing with Dell EMC, you're not only changing the applications, but you're also transforming your people and your processes who hold the future of the business within their hands. The time has come to ask, how will we prepare today for the future demands of the business? How do we want our organization to look in an ever-modernizing industry? It's important to realize that transformation does indeed need allies, and you shouldn't have to go at it alone. By modernizing with Dell EMC, the #1 in converged cloud storage, servers, and purpose-built backup appliances, We can explore the different avenues, including flexible consumption models, to reduce capital expenses and help you accelerate your digital transformation the way that you see fit. Contact your local data center sales executive and let the transformation begin.